Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm sure you can tell by the title of today's video. This is a tutorial on how I do my faux locks, and right now I am just prepping my hair for the installation. So initially my hair was threaded, and that is what you see me taking out of my hair right now. This is an African traditional hairstyle. I really love it. My mom used to like do it on my hair all the time when I was a little girl, but I haven't gotten it in a long time, and let me tell you, it's a really great method for like if you're about to braid your hair, or if you want to do like a blowout but you don't want any heat. It stretches out your hair and it makes your hair feel like you had a blowout when in fact you didn't have any. Like, it's very good, especially if you're experiencing heat damage and you don't want any heat going on your hair. You should definitely try this method. You're just like getting hair thread and threading your hair like you're doing a lock, or like you're twisting your hair. That's how you do it. It's not hard to do at all. But I just wanted to talk about this for a moment because it's really good. It stretched out my hair. It made it feel a bit thinner and was easier for me to braid and start installing my lock. But yeah, because to my mom for doing this, I really loved it, and it was really cute. I should like put a picture here or something. But yeah, so after this I just braided my hair into sections, and then I started like twisting my hair. But I'm gonna stop talking and let the rest of this video go as it should. And I hope you enjoy this, and make sure you are already subscribed if you've not subscribed already. Okay, so I'm about to do my hair. I don't know what style I'm going for yet. I know I'm gonna do like either butterfly locks or just plain or regular locks. But I gotta have an idea. I hope it works. But I got this. It's really cute. It's like an ombre on both ends. But I'm gonna be twisting it into a lock. And then I got this Cuban hair that I'm gonna use for my base, and then use this one on the ends. I wish I had gotten this, like my base here, in like a color that's more, in like a similar color to this one, but they did not have this hair in that color. So I hope this works out. I think it will, because my hair is black and I wanted I wanted the base to be something that's similar to my natural hair color. So hopefully it all works out. I got 4 packs of these and 2 packs of this one. Hopefully I don't need to use that much hair, but we'll see. I don't remember how many sections I have my hair in. I'll count them so that I know how to lay them out and have to section them properly, so I don't lose any hair, or so that I don't have to get new hair. All right. I really don't know what my hair looks like in the back because I don't have an eye behind me. But anyway, I have my hair section and ready to go. I have a total of, gosh, I already forgot. I have a total of, I think, 41 or 42 braids, so I'm gonna be wrapping the hair around them. I did this method because it's a protective styling method so that my ends and my hair is protected and doesn't get tangled up in the hair we'll be braiding my hair with today. So, and this is really easy. All you have to do is crochet your hair in between the braid and just wrap around it. So this is a really fast and easy method for me, and it's gonna help protect my hair because I am struggling with breakage right now. Like, as you can see, my ends look really terrible, so I'm not even gonna get into that, but it looks really terrible. I need a trim so bad, but am I gonna do it? Probably not. All right, and this is what the other hair look like. I already counted this one. There's like 12 in each pack, and I have, I think, 42 or 43 braids. So that's gonna be more than enough. And this looks like there's a lot in here. I'm not even gonna count them because that's really not necessary. But that's what it looks like. I'm scared that this not gonna work out, you guys, because this is really black and that's really brown. But we'll see. I wish there's a way I could zoom in on this, but you guys gonna have to work with what you got. Alrighty. I think this is a good enough length. Cause I said I don't really like long hair that much anyway. So I think that's a good enough length for me. I don't know if I want to do butterfly locks or make these a little bit distressed, but again, I am using Cuban hair, so I don't know how distressed I can get this to be. But as I'm braiding this or as I'm wrapping this around, I'm so glad that I did not part it in two, because that would have been really small, because even this is really thin right now compared to the sizes I have for my hair. So I even want to make this a little bit bigger because it's really thin and the sections are bigger. It doesn't look right, it looks way too small. But anyway, I'm gonna go in with the colorful hair. I think that's a good enough length, a place to start. I'm just gonna wrap this around the other one, like so, like that, and like this, and then just go around. I really do hope this works out. I don't want it to be like super dominant in my hair. I just wanted to give like a hint of color in it, if that makes sense. So I had to go around with that one because it wasn't working out well. Okay, so I need to take this way because it's not showing as I wanted to. Okay, you guys, so midway, I decided to switch my style. Well, not exactly midway, but yeah. Okay, so I'm not sure if I want to do this side orange or just leave it black. I kind of like it like this so that it's not really symmetrical, but I also know myself and I will not be able to stand it if it's not symmetrical. So decisions, people. Yeah. Anyway, I decided I'm just gonna do the same thing and see what it looks like. If it doesn't look okay, then I'll just do black on this end. But for now, we're doing the same thing all around, and it's not gonna be exactly symmetrical anyway because I have this here with orange at the ends and this with nothing. I put the orange on the other one behind it so that it's just a little bit asymmetrical, I guess. And I also realized that this side is shorter than this side, so it's okay. We cannot, it's life. That's how life is, you know. We cannot all be equal, okay? That's not real life. So we're just gonna go with this. And I'm just using this chunk of hair and I will feed in the rest of hair, the remaining hair that I need as I continue braiding. But I'm just gonna use this chunk of hair for the first part and then feed in as I continue. So I have successfully completed the front part of my hair and now I have the back. I don't know if I'm in focus. Now I have to do the back and I'm not looking forward to that, okay? Not looking forward to that at all. What I'm planning to do is to do orange, like full orange on the first 3 rows and then do black and then just continue with black or maybe do orange on the first 6 rows. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see how it looks as I start, but yeah, I don't know how much more I have in the back. That 18, y'all, it's not good. Okay, so I'm finally done with the hair and it took me about 6 hours or so, probably less than that, but I was doing the hair in like intervals, so I didn't just do it in one sitting. I was doing stuff here and there and I was just being super slow. But I'm about to cut it and trim it up. I'm gonna use a lighter. I'm not gonna shave anything up, just don't have the time or energy for that today, so I'm just gonna trim my hair. Hopefully I don't burn myself. Yeah, that was good enough. And this keeps the hair from fraying and it keeps it like, so it doesn't unravel or anything. I'm just gonna use the file to trim out the edges. I should really look at the mirror instead of looking at the camera, but that looks good and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Alright, this has gotta be the worst angle in the history of angles, but I just completed my hair. I'm so sleepy and it's still very stiff right now because it still has to break in a little bit. But this is what it's looking like after I'm done, like immediately after I'm done. I just wanted you guys to see what it looks like after I'm done. I did like, shoot, I'll show you guys this in a full video after I take a shower, and maybe tomorrow I will do like a video of me, how my hair looks like after a day, and like the full rundown of how the hair process went. But this is just a really quick I don't know, update or whatever for you guys to see what it looked like immediately after I got done with it. It's not really, it doesn't really hurt. It's just a little, you know, when you just get your hair done, it just needs a minute to breathe and do this thing, and then you'll be good to go. But for tonight, I'm gonna just put it up and go to bed because I'm tired. So yeah, I like it. I like the orange. Right now I look oily and sweaty, so I'll just stop filming right now, and then tomorrow or whatever day I come back, you'll see a full video. Maybe I'll have makeup on. Who knows? Okay, so hello you guys. So this is the final look of my hair. This is the day after I braided my hair, or this the next day, because it was yesterday night that I completed my hair. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't hurt at all anymore. It was just a little stiff last night because I had just braided it or wrapped it or whatever you call that. But now it still has some stiffness in it, don't get me wrong, but it doesn't hurt. Like, I can do this. But it is so cute. I'm so glad I went with this style that I did. And I have some orange in the back. Right now I have it up in a bun, so you're not gonna see it. But you guys, when I like drop my, I was saying, when I drop my hair and let it flow, you can literally see the highlights of the orange in the back, and that's exactly what I was going for. So it looks so good. But I really enjoy doing this, enjoy doing my own hair. I usually get this a lot, but yeah, it was really fun to do, and my hair looks good. Right now I'm off to work, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it was helpful for you. I know it's not a really thorough tutorial, so I'm not gonna call it a tutorial, but this is just how I style my locks, and I hope you find it as an inspiration for you to do your hair in this style with another color or something else. I just hope it inspires you to do something cute or nice like this. And yeah, and I hope it was at least a little bit helpful. If you don't know how to do your own locks, I hope it was a little bit helpful. But that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and make sure you are subscribed, and make sure you turn on your post notification for when I drop a new video, and follow me on all my social medias. Let me know your thoughts and what you think about the style, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.